Here we have a comparative scale. With the given RF, it is the question actually. With the given RF 1 is to 10,000, prepare a comparative scale to show 1500 meters and 6000 feet. Here, you can find that um, like from just different from the previous linear scale we have prepared. There, one primary division was asked to show one secondary division. The division was in the previous scale was 10 kilometer for primary division and 2 kilometer for secondary division. In that scale, it was mentioned that 10 kilometer for primary division, 2 kilometer for secondary division. But here, nothing is mentioned actually. Hence, we can actually take that value 1500 meter and 6000 feet to show it by entire scale. আমি এই 1500 মিটারটাই এন্টায়ার স্কেলটাকে ডিফাইন করব। হাউ আমি কি বোঝাতে চাইছি? আমি বোঝাতে চাইছি আগের স্কেল যেমন এখানে 0 ছিল, এটাকে 10 দেখিয়েছিলাম, এটাকে 20 দেখিয়েছিলাম, অ্যান্ড এখানে 10 দেখিয়ে আমি এখানে 2 4 6 8 দেখিয়েছিলাম। বাট এখানে এটা করব না। এখানে কি করব? এখানে এন্টায়ার স্কেলটাকেই আমি 1500 দেখাবো। দ্যাট মিনস এন্টায়ার স্কেলটাকে আমি কনসিডার করবো 1500 মিটারসে। যেহেতু এখানে কিছু বলে দেয়া নেই, সো উই হ্যাভ টু রিড দ্য কোয়েশ্চেন প্রপারলি at the very beginning, and in the solution we can what we are observing to find the map distance corresponds to 1500 meters. That thing first we will deal with this, afterward we will deal with this. So first of all we are dealing with this to corresponds to 1500 meters. In the step 1, the given RF is shown, and from the given RF here we are observing that from the RF we have found 1 centimeter map distance is shown by 10,000 centimeter on the ground. We can write it like that, and if we reverse that 10,000 centimeter on ground, here the map and here the ground, we are moving that segment here and moving that segment here, just reversing that. Now 10,000 centimeter on the ground is shown by 1 centimeter on the map. Very simple. So 1 centimeter on the ground, here mathematically we can write it that, and here bring that value. It is in meter. We have converted in the centimeter. Now what will be the result? 15 centimeter on the map. So 1500 meter or 150,000 centimeter will be shown of the ground, will be shown by 15 centimeter on the map. In the step 2, what we will get? If we consider 3 number of primary division, suppose, then for the scale, so 15 centimeter will be divided into 3 parts of the to show the primary division. 15 centimeter, this 15 centimeter is for entire scale. Now if we consider 3 numbers of primary division, then this 15 centimeter will be divided into 3 parts. Then each part will get 500, 500 and 500. That is mentioned here. And if it is a 15 centimeter, then each part will have 500 meters, and it will 5 semi, 5 semi and 5 semi. Correct? It is just mentioned in that portion. Here we can see in the step 3 the number of secondary division. As we know, the number of secondary division includes the value of primary division divided by the value of secondary division. In that case, value of primary division we have found from the step number 2, but value of secondary division, it is not mentioned anywhere. So in this case we will consider the 5 number of secondary division, because if one value is 500 meter, then it is better to divide this value with 5 rather than 3. Okay, that is why we are choosing 5 number of secondary divisions. From the following just calculated portions, what we have got, the values corresponds to 1500 meters are 15 centimeter to show the total length. The total number of primary divisions are 3, one primary division showing 500 meters, and there are 5 secondary divisions considered for this